Bonjour, hello everyone. I'm Sniti, a French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with the ninth video of the first series of Basic French. So, in the Compter en Français series, that means counting in French, in today's video we are going to start from the number 81 and complete till the number 90. So, let's get going. Here we have the first number of this video, that is 81, which is 81. Then we have 82, which is 82. 82. Then we have 83, which is 83. 83. And here we have 84, which is 84. 84. Next comes 85, which is 85. 85. And now we have 86, which is 86. 86. Next comes 87, which is 87. 87. Now we have 88, which is 83. 83. And now we have 89, which is 89. 89. Next comes 90, which is 90. 90. So let us recall what all we have learned in this video. Here we have 81, which is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it, and we'll cover from the number 91 till the number 100 in our next video. I hope that you liked it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching and bye bye.